Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the 1994 Mercury Cougar, a car that's often overlooked but has so much to offer. The Mercury Cougar first hit the streets in 1967 as a stylish, upscale alternative to the Ford Mustang. By 1994, the Cougar had transformed into a sleek, sophisticated grand tourer, blending luxury with performance. Let's talk about design. The 1994 Mercury Cougar is a perfect example of 90s automotive style. It's long, low, and wide, with a sleek aerodynamic shape that was ahead of its time. The front end features that iconic cat-eye grille. Inside, it's all about comfort. The seats are supportive, the cabin is spacious, and the materials. A premium sound system and that classic 90s dashboard layout that's both functional and stylish. Now, let's pop the hood. The 1994 Mercury Cougar came with a couple of engine options, but the one you really want is the 4.6-liter V8. This engine delivers a smooth 205 horsepower, which might not sound like a lot today. Number 2, we're diving into a true masterpiece, the 1948 Cadillac Fleetwood. This car isn't just a piece of history, it's a work of art on wheels, a symbol of American craftsmanship at its finest. This car didn't just follow trends, it set them. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a closer look at what makes this Cadillac a timeless classic. Let's talk design. The 1948 Cadillac Fleetwood is where elegance meets innovation. The first thing you'll notice? Those tail fins, a design element inspired by the P-38 Lightning fighter plane. Under the hood, the 1948 Fleetwood was as advanced as it was stylish. Powered by a 5.7L V8 engine, it delivered smooth, effortless power, perfect for those long, luxurious cruises. Now, let's step inside. The interior is a showcase of luxury, with leather seats that feel like they belong in a private club, a dashboard that's as elegant as it is functional, and enough legroom to stretch out and enjoy the ride. Number 3, the 1941 Buick Special Sedanet. This car isn't just a piece of history, it's a masterpiece on wheels. And by the end of this video, I guarantee you'll be dreaming about taking one of these beauties for a spin. The first thing you'll notice is that sweeping fastback design. It's pure art. The lines are smooth, flowing seamlessly from the roof down to the rear bumper. Step inside plush seats that feel like an overstuffed armchair, a dashboard that's all about simplicity and function, and a steering wheel that makes you feel like you're in control of something truly powerful. Under the hood, the 1941 Buick Special Sedanet was powered by a 248 cubic inch straight 8 engine, producing around 107 horsepower. The straight 8 engine was known for its reliability and its ability to deliver power in a silky, refined way. Number 4, the 1952 Chevrolet Belair. This car is a rolling symbol of style, innovation, and pure American craftsmanship. This model year was part of the first generation of Belairs. First off, check out that signature hardtop design. It's a look that's both sporty and elegant, giving you the open-air feel of a convertible with the practicality of a coupe. Step inside and you're transported back to a time when driving was a luxury. The wide bench seats are covered in premium materials, and the dashboard layout is simple. The 1952 Chevrolet Belair came standard with a 235.5 cubic inch inline-6 engine, known as the Blue Flame 6. This engine was known for its reliability and smooth performance, delivering 105 horsepower, more than enough to give you a satisfying ride, whether you're cruising in the city or out on the open road. Number 5, the 1954 Chevrolet Classic. Stick around, because this is a ride you won't want to miss. The 1954 Chevrolet. This car isn't just another classic, it's a symbol of a time when style and substance were perfectly in sync. Let's talk design. The 1954 Chevrolet is the epitome of 1950s automotive elegance. The car's rounded lines, chrome detailing, and that distinctive grille. The bench seats are covered in rich upholstery. The dashboard is a work of art with its sweeping curves and chrome accents, and the steering wheel. Under the hood of the 1954 Chevrolet, you'll find the Blue Flame straight 6 engine. This 235 cubic inch powerhouse was known for its reliability and smooth operation. This was a car built for comfort and steady cruising, perfect for those long Sunday drives